cloudBRAT. Organize anything. cloudBRAT.com. How to create a new cloud. If you're not logged in, go ahead and log in. If you're a new user, you'll see this welcome message. Let's create a new cloud. Go ahead and click on New Cloud. Type in a title, a short description if you like, and here you can upload a thumbnail image if you like, but for now, let's just click Submit to create our new cloud. Our new cloud is created. Let's click on our new cloud. Here is our new cloud. We can add, delete, remove pages as we like. For more information on adding content to your cloud, please see our video on Add, Rename, Delete Pages, and Adding Basic Text. Let's go back to My Clouds. Now, let's add a thumbnail image to our cloud. Click on Settings for the cloud. Click on Cloud Thumbnail Image, Browse button, and select an image from your device's hard drive. Double-click it. And don't forget to click Submit. Now our cloud has an image, and we can quickly determine which cloud is which. Let's create a new cloud. Let's call it Home. Add a short description. And this time, let's upload a thumbnail image. Double-click and click Submit. Now we have two clouds, our Home cloud and our Work cloud. cloudBRAT. Organize anything. cloudBRAT.com.